What would you get when you skip count backwards by 100 from 1923? You get 1823. Skip counting again by 100 from 1823, you will get 1723. What would you get when you skip count backwards by 100 from 1723? You get 1623. What would you get when you skip count backwards by 100 from 1623? You get 1523. What would you get when you skip count backwards by 100 from 1523? You get 1423. What would you get when you skip count backwards by 100 from 1423? You get 1323. Skip count backwards by 20 from 1225. You get 1205. Skip count backwards by 20 from 1205. You get 1185. Skip count backwards by 20 from 1185. You get 1165. Skip count backwards by 20 from 1165. You get 1145. Skip count backwards by 20 from 1145. You get 1125. Skip count backwards by 20 from 1125. You get 1105. Count backwards by 500 from 9000. You get 8500. Count backwards by 500 from 8500. You get 8000. Count backwards by 500 from 8000. You get 7500. Count backwards by 500 from 7500. You get 7000. Count backwards by 500 from 7000. You get 6500. Count backwards by 500 from 6500. You get 6000.